20k diamond. 20k, 10k, or 6k diamond. This gift, Bubble Dragon. That gives a G, and I'll follow back you, promise. Timmy. Sniper, hello. Okay, Bubble Gum, go. Hi. Next time, oh. Well, no next time here. But try the Bubble Dragon. Bubble Dragon is lucky. I'm lucky with Bubble Dragon. Yes. Well, it's your money, so it's your decision. I mean, that's your decision. It's up to you. Ads! Oh, who? You win. I mean, you won. I'll take my pride. No, yes. And then, fuck you. I don't have body count. And it's not, like, hindi yan para sabihin ko dito. It's private. It's privacy, guys. You're invading my privacy. So it's not. Willie, hello. Just try one, right? If I lost, still follow back you. If I lost. So it's Edsy, hello. No, it will because I'm unique. I'm unique, and no one dropped me bubble gun. Well, it's up to you. It's for yes, and Bubble Dragon is 399. So Bubble Dragon is cheap, but can win 1k, 3k. Just try. Eds, can you try that, Eds? Bubble Dragon. Can you try that, guys? Help me, guys. For my quota. Hello. For the pretty girl quota. Bubble Dragon or Bubble Gum? Bubble Gun or Bubble Gum? Yes. Yes. Jarib. Promise. It's a follow back. So. I take my pride. Stand here for you. Yeah, I'm not a guy. Oh, not today. You hurt me. So no. You hurt my feeling. I assume that will drop. And I take your follow. What do you mean? Follow back me. I follow me. But no follow back.